Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to check this device's temperature. To do it, we'll have to use an external application called CordTemp. Look it up in your browser. Right now you can see the official website. The address is allcpu.com/CordTemp/. To download the application, click this button right here. And once the install file is downloaded, open it. Click yes. Click next. Accept the user agreement to continue. Select destination folder from your File Explorer system. I will go with the default one. Click next. Keep this checkbox checked if you want to create a desktop shortcut. Uncheck this one because if you don't want to install any unwanted additional software. If you want to add additional language packs to your application, keep this checkbox checked. I'm gonna leave it unchecked. After that, click next. Install. Click next once again, and let's launch the application. And as you can see, here we can check the temperature of our device's processor. We can check core number 0 and core number 1. We can see the current temperature of both cores, the minimum registered temperature, the maximum registered temperature, and also the CPU load for both of the cores. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.